Whoa, hold up. Our decisions aren't as rational and calculated as we think. Sure, we consider our options and their consequences, but there are so many other factors at play, like chance, other people's influence, and our environment. And get this, we're not even aware of most of these factors. They're like sneaky little gremlins that hijack our actions and thoughts without us even realizing it. So, what's the deal with this illusion of resolve we have? Nietzsche argues that it's all just smoke and mirrors. Everything we perceive as a unified whole is actually a chaotic and complicated mess. Our consciousness is constantly battling with multiple forces, both inside and outside of us, and it's a miracle we can even function at all. I mean, seriously, who's to say we're even a single subject? Maybe we're a whole bunch of subjects all interacting and fighting with each other. That's the foundation of our consciousness, according to Nietzsche. This dude is blowing my mind.